Hello again. We've got some pretty stormy weather on the way over the next 24 hours. Ex-Ophelia is set to hit our shores, so the Met Office have issued an amber be prepared warning for the strength of those winds. Ophelia is still a hurricane at the moment across eastern parts of the Atlantic, but as it heads towards the UK, it will become an ex-hurricane, but some warm air tided within it, so a warm and muggy night to come tonight before fresher conditions then spread in as we head through the course of Tuesday. But it's that warm and muggy night that we're going to experience across the south through the course of tonight. Temperatures across many southern counties not dipping below 15 or 16 degrees for some of us. And to the north, well, it's going to be mild here as well. But the far north actually seeing a much chillier night, 8 or 9 degrees across the far north with some rain sandwiching in between. But it's ex-Ophelia down to the southwest that starts to pack a punch as we head into Monday morning, initially giving some strong winds across southern Ireland. That pushes up then through the Irish Sea, so some pretty damaging wind gusts likely through the afternoon. A yellow weather warning in force here, but an amber warning in force for parts of Northern Ireland. That's where we could see some of the strongest of those winds. Further east, though, plenty of sunshine on the cards. You'll be wondering what the fuss is about here, with temperatures getting up into the mid-20s in one or two spots. But let's take a look at those warnings in a bit more detail. Firstly, the amber warning is affecting Northern Ireland. Here we can see really damaging wind gusts, 70 to 80 miles an hour coming up from the south, really affecting this southeastern coast in particular. But elsewhere through the Irish Sea for southwest England, parts of Wales and also northwest England, here we'll see damaging wind gusts as well, 60 to 70 miles an hour. That could give some travel disruption as well as some damage to buildings and trees. And into the evening, well, the winds will continue to whip on round this area of low pressure that we've got as tied in with Ophelia. That pushes up in towards Scotland, and as we head through the night, we'll see some heavy rain across parts of Scotland as well. But a fresher night elsewhere, temperatures of 11 or 12 to start the day on Tuesday. So a much fresher start to the day, plenty of sunshine across the bulk of England and Wales, but still some rain and still those strong winds across the central belt through the morning before eventually ex-Ophelia pushes its way up into the North Sea. But by the afternoon, those temperatures were much fresher than what we've seen of recent days, 15 or 16 degrees the high, and some rain just knocking on the doors of the Channel Islands up in towards central southern England. But for more information on our latest warnings and also the latest forecasts, you can check out our social media channels. Bye-bye.